Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Monday CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add notes into a deal in your Monday CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you need to add notes into your deals in Monday CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably have multiple salespeople calling the same lead. So sometimes you need to add notes so that way everyone's on the same page. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Monday CRM. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Monday CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to add notes into one of your deals, here on the left side, you're going to click on deals. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and scroll through until you see the deal that you want to add a note into. So for example, this one right here, 510 Main Street. And off to the right, you're going to see this kind of, I guess it looks like a little piece of paper. Click on there. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see more information about your deal. And in order to add a note so the rest of the team knows what went on with this deal, is you're going to click right here, add activity. Once you do that, you're going to go ahead and click on note. Once you do that, over here on the bottom right, you're going to see a note draft open up. Go ahead and just click on there. And this is a new note for the team. Now, if you want to tag one of your team members in this, so that way they can be alerted of this new note, you can click right here, add mention. Once you're done adding the note, go ahead and click on add. Okay, now you can see the note is listed right here on the deal. So that way anyone who enters into this deal, they're going to be able to see this note right here. Now, if this happens to be an important note, you can go ahead and pin it to the top. That way it doesn't get lost with all of the activity in this particular deal. So you just click on these three dots and you click here, pin to top. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a note into one of your deals in Monday CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.